Stay Safe Saturday. Spot the Scam, Part 2. Hello and welcome. If you've ever received an email that made you pause and wonder if it was real, you are not alone. Today, we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you an email, and I want you to see if you can spot the scam. Let's take this one step at a time. Take a look at this email. Your account has been suspended. Please verify your information immediately to restore access. Take a moment. What stands out to you? Would you click this? Let's break it down together. First, the message creates urgency. Words like immediately are meant to make you act quickly. Second, the email does not use your name. Legitimate companies usually address you directly. Third, it asks you to verify your information. That is a major red flag. This is how scammers trick people. They create fear and urgency so you don't stop and think. Instead of clicking the link, go directly to the official website or contact the company yourself. If this feels like a lot, that's okay. You're learning, and you're taking steps to protect yourself. If you found this helpful, subscribe for simple and safe tech tips. New videos every Watch Out Wednesday and Stay Safe Saturday. You deserve to feel confident online.